For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless Energy.
Hi, my name is Matt Kidd, CEO of Endless Energy. Over the past 5 years, Endless Energy has had the privilege of installing thousands of heat pumps in customers' homes. Many of those homes have been whole home heat pump homes, so we've had the opportunity to learn a lot about these systems, what works and what doesn't. The first thing I'll tell you if you're considering installing a heat pump for your home is that they work. They work great in the summer, they work great in the shoulder season, and even in the winter, they do maintain temperature. It's a slightly different feel from what you might be used to with a boiler in particular, maybe a furnace, but you get used to it and it works and feels comfortable. One of the things that we increasingly encourage customers as they consider a whole home system is to keep your backup fuel source, or at least keep it available to be reconnected. We say this because we've seen multiple customers in winter 2026 and other winters go several weeks without a functioning system because they're waiting on a specialty part. You see, heat pumps are sophisticated HVAC machines, and they have internal circuit boards and other components. These often differ between brands, and also within a brand, you can have multiple variations of it. This means that parts are often specialty ordered and sometimes have to come from overseas. The result is when a system goes down because of something mechanical, it might be several weeks before we can get your system back up. That's why we like to encourage customers more and more to keep that backup fuel source. It might mean you earn a little less in rebates or incentives. It also might mean you just keep it disconnected and ready to reconnect. We can do that pretty easily as well. But more and more, we do encourage you to keep that backup fuel source to ensure your home's safety and your family's comfort should something mechanical happen to your system. To learn more about Endless Energy, visit us at www.goendlessenergy.com or give us a call at 508-501-9990.
For all